Good evening, boys and girls. We're so glad you're tuning in with us today for Impact 119. Miss Leanne, we are going to play a game. Are you ready?
I love games.
Yes. All right, so this right here is a tube of toothpaste. Here's what you got to do, okay?
Okay.
You are going to have 10 seconds, all right? 10 seconds, and you're going to have to squeeze every bit of this out onto this plate.
I got it.
You think you got it?
I got it.
All right, let's see you do it. Y'all ready?
Ready? Can I get the top off first?
Yeah, go ahead and get the
Okay.
top off. We gonna give
I
us
don't want
some
to use my
prep
whole
time.
10 seconds taking the top off.
All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
Go. 10, 9, 8, 7,
Easy breezy.
6, 5. Come on. You got a little bit more. 4, 3, 2, 1.
I got it.
All right. See that?
That is flat. No,
All right.
no toothpaste left.
No.
In there. I win. Oh, yeah.
Hold up. There's one more thing you got to do. All right. Now, Miss Leanne has 10 more seconds. She has to put every bit of that back in the tube. All right, you ready? And mark, get set, go. How's it going, Miss Leanne? Keep going, keep trying. Come on, you can.
This is not gonna work.
You sure?
Yeah, it's not going in.
All right.
Right.
Well, let me tell you something. Have you ever heard of this statement that people say, where people say, sticks and stones may break my bones, but words will never hurt me?
Yes.
You know, when I think about that, I don't necessarily know how true that is. How many of you have ever had somebody say something to you or talk to you and it just did not make you feel good?
Yes.
That's happened to me before.
I've had it happen.
See, when we look at things like this, when we squeeze the toothpaste out, it couldn't go back in, right?
That's right.
Just like our words. When we use our words and when we say words, when it's out there,
We
it's
can't
out there.
take them back.
We can't. And it reminds me of some scripture found in Psalms 19, verse 14. It says, "May the words of my mouth and the meditation of my heart be pleasing to you, O Lord, my rock and my redeemer." Now, there's one thing I want you to realize about this verse. It says, "May the words of my mouth and the meditation of my heart." See, the thing with this is that when we use our words, where does it come from? Where do these words come from, right? It's from what we put in. When we say, I know y'all hear Miss Leanne say it all the time, garbage in, garbage out. When you put garbage into your life, when all you see, maybe you watch things that you know you're not supposed to be watching or listening to things you know you're not supposed to be listening to, those become part of your everyday filter, your life.
Yes.
And then you start speaking and those words don't speak life. And that's what we're called to do as believers. We're supposed to encourage each other, give a high five whenever somebody does something great, because you know what? That's what the Lord's done for us, right?
That's
He
right.
spoke life into us.
Yes.
So my encouragement for you this week is that you would find some time, you know what? Just the small things, going to your parents or whoever it is you live with, your grandparents, and go, you know what? I love you. Thank you so much for all that you do. You know, those small things, they build character. They build life. They speak life. And so make sure to do that this week. May the words of my mouth and the meditation of my heart be pleasing to your sight. Oh Lord, my rock and my redeemer.
You know, I love that verse. That's one of my life verses. I pray that on a daily basis as a reminder to me and for God to help me with that. That's really cool. I love that verse.
Yes. So remember, garbage in, garbage out. Make sure to remember your words are powerful and they really do matter.
Yes.
So we love you guys. We can't wait to see you again. And well, we are seeing you on Sunday mornings. Just a reminder, we are having our assembling together 11 o'clock at the Eden campus and 11 o'clock at the Eden and River campus, and then at 8:10 at the Eden campus. So we hope to see you guys there.
We're in the gym. We would love to see you down there. If you are not in the sanctuary, come on down and see us.
All right. We love you guys.
We
Bye.
love y'all. Bye.